Welcome to AI for Logistics Managers, a course built for logistics leaders who refuse to settle for the ordinary. You're here because you believe in transforming how things work and taking control of emerging technologies that are changing the landscape of logistics. AI isn't some abstract concept reserved only for tech giants. Right now, it's at the core of operational efficiency, from optimizing supply chains to fine-tuning demand forecasts and streamlining inventory management. This course delivers clear, practical, and actionable lessons through engaging video tutorials that break down complex AI concepts into steps you can implement immediately. You'll also find thousands of ready-to-use AI prompts crafted specifically for logistics scenarios, along with comprehensive eBooks, insightful guides, and convenient audiobooks that let you progress on your own schedule. And with exclusive access to cutting-edge AI tools, from predictive analytics to automated inventory management, you're equipped to drive smarter decisions across every level of your operation. Most courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. As you learn to identify high-impact areas, select the right AI tools, and methodically test and scale those solutions, you're not just absorbing information, you're reshaping your professional journey into one that stands out. Ready to step forward with confidence and lead through innovation? Discover all AI for Logistics Managers training courses available at completeaitraining.com.